What's going on, everyone? Here we've got KNCKeys Red Jacket V1 Redux switches. They're a long pole linear switch that's been updated from the original Red Jackets, and although I haven't had the opportunity to actually try the OGs, I did have the V2s, and let me tell you, they're back better than ever. First and foremost, the plate tightness is no longer an issue compared to the V2s. The Redux switches sit firmly in their plate, but doesn't take the Headless Horseman to pull them out. Manufactured by Aflion, we've got a nylon top and a bottom housing, a 13.5mm palm stem, and a 63 gram bottom out double stage spring. Now these do come factory hand lubed, which are pretty good. There's a generous layer of lube on the stems and leaves, and in all honesty, you don't really need to re-lube them. Out of the batch that I received, there was maybe one that felt mushy, but it was so minimal that you could hardly tell. Now I will say there is some scratch comparable to Tofu's linear switch, but it's quite smooth nonetheless. Unfortunately, because I never owned the OGs, I had to do some digging around and I couldn't find too much information, but from my research, it seems that KNC kept the nylon housings, palm stems, but changed it from a 13.2mm to a 13.5, and kept the double stage spring, but changed that from a 63 gram to 63.5 gram. Now let's hear a sound test with the Forever 65 on a carbon fiber plate with both ABS and PPD keycaps. So overall, I'd say I'm quite happy with the Redux switches. Although I don't have a direct comparison between the OGs and Redux, I do hope that it's a good or even a great improvement. At a crazy price of 55 cents a switch, I think it's an absolute solid choice for value, especially as there are a lot of contenders in the market right now. If you want a smooth, full-sounding clacking linear switch with a great typing experience that you don't have to spend time lubing or franken switching, I would definitely check out the Redux switches down in the description below, and let me know what your thoughts are on KNC's blast from the past.